Spidey!
No, I don't need you. Hey, stop! You okay, kid? Yeah, you're okay. See you later. Come on. Oh boy.
The hell, Frank? You just hit me with a van!
Quit your whimpering.
You can't just shoot yourself out of every situation. Innocent people get hurt.
Who do you think's downrange to that tank, dum-dum? Suit yourself. Mother.
Go home, Frank!